Hello learners, in this video we will talk about the special sex determination that is present in honey bees, and the name of the sex determination is haploid diploid sex determination. We have already discussed the other 4 types of the chromosomal sex determination in the previous video. Now, before we start with the explanation, let's understand first what is diploid or 2N and what do you mean by haploid or N. Now in your body you have 2 types of cells. One are the somatic cells which are not helping in the reproduction, and another cells are the germinal cells which will form the gametes. So somatic cells in your body, they contain 46 chromosomes and they usually divide by mitosis because mitosis maintains the chromosome number. Whereas the germinal cells, they are going to form the gametes by the process of meiosis, and gametes, they always are haploid, means they contain half the number of chromosomes as that of the somatic cells. So remember always, haploid means half, and this half chromosome number can also be shown by N. If the normal cells of human being, they have 46 chromosome, then haploid cells or gametes will have 23. Diploid means the chromosome in pairs, right? So we have how many pairs of chromosomes? 23 pairs of chromosome. That means we can write 2N. Here the value of N is 23. You know, I have written here. So when 2 will be multiplied with 23, it will give you 46 chromosomes. So normal cells in the body, they are diploid, and the sex cells in the body, they are haploid. Now in the case of honey bee, the haploid chromosome number is 16 and the diploid chromosome number is 32. Let's start now. 2N refers to the diploid condition, you already know it, and females are diploid, right? Now females, they will undergo the process of gametogenesis. Gametogenesis is the process wherein gametes are synthesized and they are formed as a result of meiosis. That's why gametes, they are going to be haploid. So we will write here N, and of course they will be haploid. Now, very special type of development is there. Few haploid cells or few gametes, they do not undergo fertilization, rather they form the new individual by a process of parthenogenesis. So parthenogenesis is a special type of reproduction wherein the new individual is formed as a result of no fertilization. So no fertilization is going to happen and then also new individual is forming. This is a type of reproduction which is coming under the category of apomixis. Formation of new individual without the act of fertilization is parthenogenesis. This N, of course, it is going to be haploid and it is going to be a male, and that male will be known as drone, right? Now this male, because it is already haploid, if it has to increase its number, it will undergo the process of mitosis wherein it will form haploid individuals only, and these will be drones only, right? Now these drones, because they are the males, that is why by mitosis they will produce the sperms, right? Because they already have chromosome number half in their body. Now half cannot be further than half. This is a rule. One time meiosis happens, next time mitosis will happen to increase or to elevate the number. Now this haploid gamete that was produced by the female, and this is the gamete of the male, they are going to do fertilization, and by fertilization they will form a diploid individual, and this individual will be known as a female one. Because see here, I have written here the females, they always are diploid. Now these females, depending upon what they eat, if they are feeding upon the royal jelly, then this female, it is going to develop in queen. But if they are eating normal food other than the royal jelly, then this individual is going to develop in worker. This is haploid diploid type of sex determination which is found in honeybee. See, this is the haploid condition and this is the diploid condition here in the females. So haploid and diploid, they are alternating with each other. That is why it is known as haploid diploid type of sex determination. If parthenogenesis come for 2 marker question, then you can explain the life cycle of honeybee also in it. Make sure that you need to draw the flow chart and write proper text while you are explaining it. Hope this was helpful. Stay tuned for more videos.